Good morning, 8th graders. Happy week 16. We are 1 week closer to winter break. So this week we have a new unit beginning. We are starting unit 3, which has to do with speeches. We are going to write very, very short speeches of our own and present them using Flipgrid. We will do that part next week. This week we are going to work on beginning the Edgenuity background so that we have something to use to start writing our speeches. So today, what I'd really love you to do is start the setting goals lesson in Edgenuity. That would include getting through perhaps the warm-up and the instruction. You certainly could do the assignment today if you wanted. This is also the day that you should look at previous grades and see if you are missing anything. This is the time where you go back and you click grades, which is underneath materials and updates, and see if you have anything marked 0, left blank, or has a little orange hexagon next to it that would mean you are missing it. You also need to follow up with me if you have submitted something late and I have not graded it yet. Even if you previously mentioned it to me, please get in touch again and just say, hey, Mrs. Millsap, I finished. Tell me the thing. Would you please grade it? Tomorrow, I'd like you to continue that lesson in Edgenuity, and for those of you in first or second period, I will see you in live class. On Wednesday, I will see period 3, and we will go over, we will actually read the speech together from Edgenuity. So if you read it before class, that's great. If you read it after class, that's also great because you're going to get that extra support either way. On Thursday, periods 1 and 2, you are going to actually write your speech with me in class, and this would be the time where I'd like you to actually start recording it. Period 3 and 4, we are going to write and record our speeches on Friday. You are getting credit for for doing the outline of your speech and for actually making your speech. Now the goal is that you leave a peer comment for each other, and those peer comments really should express how to improve the speech. That means that next week you are allowed to redo the speech using those peer comments for growth. Of course, you may come to live support today at 11:30 if you'd like some help with anything. And there will be tutoring this week, Tuesday through Friday at 9 a.m. and 2:15 p.m. Yes, you still get extra credit for going to tutoring. If you have any questions about the work for this week, please email me. You'll notice also that we have not assigned the quiz for this unit lesson, so do not worry about finishing that this week. I will see you guys in class tomorrow or Wednesday. Have a really good and productive Monday. See you then.